So x is, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my xi. So p of x, this is what we have to see. So what is my p of x? So p of x is 0.3, 0.2, 0.4, 0.1. 0.3, 0.3, 0.2, 0.4, 0.1. This is my p of x. We have to find mean and variance. Mean is, how to calculate mean? Mu is equal to sigma xi p of
Yeah,
xi.
xi.
So how do we do that? 1
1,
into
2,
0.3 plus 2 into 0.2 plus 3 into 0.4 plus 4 into 0.1. So let's calculate this mu. So how much it is? 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 1.2
5.
plus 0.1, 0.4, sorry, 0.4. So let us sum it up.
0.2 plus
Point
0.
1.1 up to here, 1.1 plus 1.2. So it is 2.3.
9,
Just
10,
check it out.
11, 12,
So 0.4, 1.2,
2.3. Yeah, 2.3. I got.
okay, right? 0.4 and 0.3. Let's check it once again. That is 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. That is
10.
13. So 2.3. That is the value of mu we have. Now what is mu square? You get, that is 23 square is 529. So it is 5.29. Okay,
Okay.
clear? Mu square value, you find it and keep first.
Okay.
What it? After finding the mu square, what you have to do is sigma square we have to find. It is given by e of x square minus mu
Yes.
square.
Yeah. So 1 square.
So what we have to do? 1 square into p of xi. So that is 0.3 plus, you have to square it and multiply with this. So that is 2 square into 0.2. 2 square into 0.2.
Point
Next, 3 square into zero point 0.4.
2.4.
3 square into 0.4. Next, 4 square into 0.1 plus 4 square into 0.1. That is e of x square minus mu square. Mu square value is 5.29. So minus 5.29. This is what you have to find.
Yeah. Okay.
So let's clear this part and let us try to solve this problem. So all the values are we have written, so I have cleared this. And now sigma square. So 1 square into zero point 0.3, that is anyway 0.3. Now 2 square is 4. 4 into zero point 0.2, that is 0.8. Now 3 square 9. 9 fours 36. So it will be 3.6. Right. Now 4
Yeah.
square, that is 16 into zero point 0.1. That will be 1.6. Right. Now
Yeah.
minus 5.29. Now let's check it. Now we have the next is that so 3.6 plus 1.6 is, we'll check slowly. 3.6 plus 1.6 plus zero point 0.8 plus zero point 0.3 is 1.1. So let's plug in. So this is 13. So it is 6.3, right? So it is
Yeah.
6.3 minus 5.29. So 5.29. So it will be 10 minus 9, which is 1, 0, right? 1
Yeah.
point not 1. So the answer for here is 1 point not 1 is the variance. Clear, ma?
Yeah.
Noted?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, fine. Good. Now we'll move on to the next question.
Yeah.
Now we'll see the next one. So here they have given yi minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. Okay, first write that information.
Find the variance in the
Variance and
result.
sigma, mean and variance. So this time they have given y. Now they will give p of y. So don't worry about this. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So these are the things which are given to you. Now we have to find what is what are the values of p of y. We have to see that. So the values of p of y is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.25, 1.15. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.25, 0.15. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.25 and 0.15. First part is to check whether this distribution is
It
okay.
adds up to 1.
So this will add up to 0.5, that is 0.6. This will add up to 0.4, that is fine. It is 1. Now mean is mu, that is sigma xi p of xi, right?
Yeah.
So let
Yeah.
us solve this. So this is minus 2 into 0.1 plus minus 1 into
Minus
0.2,
1.
okay,
Yeah.
plus 0
1.
into 0.3 plus
1
1 into
to
0.25
0.25 plus
plus 2
2 into
into 0.15.
1.5.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
so what's the answer here? Can you calculate and tell me?
Yeah.
So minus
Uh,
0.2
minus 0.2
minus
plus
0.2, so it
plus
is 0.25 plus
0.25.
2 into 1, 0.15 is that comes out to be 0.3. Okay, 0.3. So it is 0.55 minus 0.4. So this works out to be 0.15. Okay, that
0.1.
is
You have
the,
to double it.
yeah, that is the mean you get. Mean mu square you have to find. So that will be 15 by 100 into 15 by 100. I'll write like this: 15 by 100 into 15 by 100. 15 by 100. 15 square is 225. 225 by 10,000. So 0.0225. That's the mu square. Clear?
Yeah.
Mu square
Okay.
part is clear. Now after
Yeah.
this, what you have to do is you have to find
Yeah.
sigma square.
Minus 2 square into
Okay.
0.1.
Yeah. So here,
Plus.
so sigma square I had to find. So can I rub this off?
Yeah.
Can you try? Yeah, rub the, can you try? Try the sigma
Yeah.
square.
Okay.
You can try the sigma square for yourself.
Okay.
So that is sigma square is E of x square minus mu square. That is E of x square. That is minus 2
in
whole
minus 2
square
square.
into associated probability is 0.1 plus
Yeah.
We have to
minus
write
1,
this. Can we write it before?
yeah, minus 1 whole square into 0.2 plus 0 square into 0.3 plus next
Plus
1 square into 0.25 plus 2 square
0.4
into 0.15.
0.15.
Clear?
Yeah.
Now let's solve this. That is 4 into zero point 0.1. That is 0.4. 1 into 0.2. That is 0.2. Now 1 into 0.25. That is 0.25. Minus mu square I forgot. Minus mu square is 0.0225. Minus 0.0225. This we have to put. Now 0.25. Now this 2 square into 0.15, that is 0.6 you are going to get, minus 0.0225. So let's sum up. 0.6 plus 0.6, that is 1.2. 1.2 plus 0.25 is 1.45, right? 1.2 plus 0.25 is 1.45 minus
Minus
0.0225. Can you give the calculation further? 1.45 minus 0.0225. So here we
1.45
go.
minus.
So it is 10 minus 5, 5. This is 9 minus 2, that is 7. 4
7.
minus 2, 2. So it is 4.
1.42.
14275. Clear?
Yeah.
So it's 1.4275. So that's the required variance.
Okay.
This is the required variance. Clear, Aditi?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll move ahead and do one more problem and close it today.
Yeah.
Hope I'm clear solving this. Find the mean number of heads in 3 tosses of a fair coin. Okay, so it's like a, how do we do that? Okay, we'll see this. So the situation is like a coin is tossed 3 times, twice. Okay, so you got to write first distribution for the number of heads. Okay, now you can have 0 head, you can have 1 head, you can have 2 heads, you can have 3 heads, right? These are the maximum possibilities. 3 tosses or 3 tosses, 3 times you toss the coin, you get this. And now how the distribution will be. There won't be any kind of head. Suppose 3 times you toss the coin, you have 8 possibilities. Okay,
Yeah.
8 possibilities. So we have seen that in the sample space, right?
Yeah.
So I don't have to write that, I hope. But anyway, we
Yeah.
can have that, no problem.
No, I got head stays.
Yeah, I hope you know this head.
Yeah, I know that.
It might be boring, but we'll have it once. Tail head, tail. Okay, but we'll have triple H here,
Head.
HHT, and then HTH, and HTT, and THH, and THT, and you have TTH, and triple T. Now out of this, how many times you get 0 head? Only one time. That is a
Yeah.
triple T. So that is 1 out of 8.
1 out of 8.
Now one head, you will see how many cases you see one head. 1,
1, 2,
2,
3.
3 cases you see one head. That is 3 out of
Yeah.
8. How many cases you see 2 heads? That is also 3 out of 8. Just check it.
3 out. 1 out of.
3 heads is again 1 out of 8. Clear?
Yeah.
Now you have to find the mean.
1 by 8 into 0.
0 into 1 by 8. Good.
0.
Plus 1 into 3 by 8. Plus 2 into 3 by 8. Plus 3 into 1 by 8. Okay. So how much it is? 3 by 8. This is 0. First part is 0. 1 into 3 by 8 is 3 by 8. 2 into 3 by 8 is 6 by 8. Let's put like this. Plus 3 into 1 by 8 is 3 by 8.
By 8.
So 9 plus this is 6 plus 6, that is 12 by 8. So let's cancel this. So 4 3s and 4 2s, that is 3 by 2. So what I have to do is to find mu square. Mu square is 9 by 4. They didn't ask you the variance, but they can ask you. They can ask you the variance. For that you find the mu square. And now how do we do the variance now? So can you tell me how to do the variance?
Yeah, so you have to square 3 by 2, which is 9 by 4.
9 by 4,
and,
we got it.
So you have
Next.
to square 0, which is 0, so you can leave that out. And 1
So
square.
formula. First of all, can you tell the formula? Sigma square.
Formula is
E of x is E of x square, not E square. E of x square minus mu square.
M square.
Mu square. Mu square. So now,
M square.
yeah, E of x square is
1 square.
So it is 0 square into
1 by 8.
1 by 8 plus
1 square.
1 square
1.
into
3 by 8.
3 by 8.
2
Next,
square into 3 by 8.
2 square into 3 by 8 plus
And
3 square
3
into 1 by 8. This is how
minus,
you get. So you have 3 by 8 minus mu square. I forgot that. Minus mu square. That is 9 by 4. So that is 3 by 8 plus 4 3 is 12. 12 by 8 plus 9 by 8. So minus 9 by 4. Clear?
Yeah.
So it is 15 plus 9, that is 24 by 8 minus 9 by 4. How to do 9 by 4? To multiply and divide with 2. So you have 24 by 8 minus 18 by 8, right? 24 minus 18, that is 6, right? 6 by 8. So it happens to be 2 3s and 2 4s. So you have the answer for sigma square is 3 by 4. Clear?
Yeah.
So this is how we solve the problems, Aditi.
Yeah.
I hope I am clear, and then you please try to solve the exercise. Try to solve the exercise. If you have any doubts, please let me know.
Yeah.
What is left? I am not sure. Let me check what is left. I'm not sure of the problems what are left. So let x denotes difference of the, okay, it is a little bit difficult. So what I want you to do is you solve the problems up to the examples and up to 2, second problem. Okay. Up to the problem number 2, you please solve.
Okay.
Okay. Up to problem number 2, you resolve once again. Please do that once again, and so that to have some confidence on this particular stuff.
Okay.
Okay, clear, Aditi?
Yeah.
So we'll close it today, and tomorrow we meet once again, and we'll solve the rest of the problems, and then we'll move on to Bernoulli trials.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Take care.
I think the binary trials the last.
Bernoulli trials. Bernoulli trials. After that, something else is there. So after that, something else is also there. We have to see that. Let me check what is there next after Bernoulli trials. We have,
I think that is the last.
I don't think so.
I don't know.
Bernoulli trials, binomial distribution is there, and then followed by
Oh,
binomial distribution, that is followed by, this is way too much actually for you.
distance.
NCRT first year and second year portion, both they are clubbing together and giving it to you, and that's the final thing. Yeah, and then when you do that, then your chapter is finished. It's a huge one. Okay, that's anyway. Yeah, we'll close it today, Aditi.
Yeah.
We'll meet tomorrow on the Bernoulli trials, and then few problems of the distribution, probable distribution problems. We'll move on. Okay.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
we'll close now.
Thank you.
Okay, Aditi. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye. See you. Good night.